Hey, what's going on, you guys? So today we're going to be looking at the Bonsai starter kit. Now, this was on Amazon for $25. Now, I heard that they're extremely hard to actually grow from a seed, and honestly, it's probably going to take 10 years to actually get this to a crazy size, a sellable size, you know what I'm saying? So this might take some years, okay? But I am totally okay with that. I like the idea, and honestly, all I gotta do is really just water them and let them take care of themselves. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm trying to do what I can. But let's just look into the box here, and let's just see what's inside. First of all, we got the little starter kit here. This is pretty much the learning guide telling you everything that you need to know. Now, I gotta say that this learning guide is super nice, to be honest. It's honestly necessary. You need to read, you need to read these directions. If you don't read these directions, you will be lost, okay? You will. I can almost guarantee it. You will be lost. And unless you've planned the plans before, you probably should honestly read through these and figure out things about your seeds and plants in order to actually get a seed that will actually germinate. But everything that actually comes in this is 4 biodegradable pots, 1 expanding disc soil, or 1 expanding soil disc, 4 seed vials, which come, I believe, in I think each of them has 4 to 5 seeds, and then 4 plant labels, and then pruning shears. So this is actually the thing. Oh, this is the disc, pretty much. It's we already used it, but essentially what you do is you just put this in some hot water. I put it in a lettuce bowl, a pretty larger bowl, and then you're just gonna let it pretty much expand and expand. Just gonna mix it up and make sure it kind of cools down a little bit before you actually go and use it. But yeah, you could put it in your next thing here, which is these are the biodegradable pots. Now, we actually use these, and I'm gonna showcase that a little bit here and there. And but here are the little seed vials. We got a total of, I believe this is 1, 2, 3, 4 seeds, and then in here we got about 6 or 7 seeds. And what we did with these is we ended up putting them in water for about, I think it was close to a day or so, so probably close to about 24 hours. Some of them rose, some of them sunk, and based on that, we pretty much just planted them all anyways. But the ones that we have here are the Norway spruce, we have the Rocky Mountain pine, we have the blue jacaranda, or dude, I think it's jacaranda. I don't know how you say that, jacaranda. But we got the Royal Poinciana. So those are the plants that we have here, or these are the seeds that we have here. And these little vials are really cool. I love the fact that we have these little things. And not only that, be able to use these in the future. That would be really nice as well. But we got those, and now we have the shears. The shears are quite honestly nice shears. Be nice if this would focus. Yep, there you go. These are the shears, pretty nice. Little good snippies here. Now, obviously, won't be using the shears probably until maybe 3 or 4 months, maybe a little bit longer than that actually. No, it's gonna be a longer than that. It's probably gonna be a year before we use these shears. So it's gonna be a while, that's for sure. Pretty much just went through everything that was in this specific starter kit. Pretty nice, I gotta say. And I'm gonna show you guys real quick a little bit, and you probably have already seen a little of the B-roll that I put through. And so we did actually get a little bit of growth. I planted these on May 22nd, and today is actually, as of me recording this, is June 1st. So it's a little less than 2 weeks, and both of these seeds actually germinated, and we only got 1 seed to germinate so far. I don't think any more is going to germinate, but this is mine, the Rocky Mountain pine. This is actually a $7 or $8, I don't remember what it was, Walmart pot. So we actually put the biodegradable bowl, or so we actually put the biodegradable pot on the inside of this, just in case we had to take it out for whatever reason. And then we just pretty much planted the dirt around it as well, just so that, you know, if it does end up like crumbling and, as it says, biodegradable, eventually that'll be probably pretty helpful. And now, over here, we got the Norway spruce. This is my girlfriend's. Hers is looking a lot better than mine, I gotta say that, right now. But hers was also planted the same day as mine, which was May 22nd. And that is of this year. And yeah, we just pretty much water these daily. Just whenever they look like they need watered. So whenever the grass, or not the grass, but the dirt starts looking like a lighter brown instead of like a moist, darker brown. Obviously, we don't want to drench the plants and soak them and kill them by, you know, putting too much water on them. So we try to have a happy medium. And I'm gonna show over here real quick. This right here, this specific window that's large. This is actually the window that we put the plants at. So we put those we put the plants right over there, and they just sit in the sun all day and they soak up that sun and they're growing, and I love to see it. Makes me happy. You know, obviously I'm not sponsored by the people that made this starter kit here, but I gotta say it's worked for us so far. We've had germinating seeds, therefore the seeds aren't dud seeds, because I guess that can be a thing. But yeah, honestly, these are pretty nice so far. As far as just the learning guide, you get the shears, pretty much everything that you need, to be honest. And you could just actually plant them in the planters themselves. The cardboard planter, you don't need pots. It would probably be nice if you had pots, but you don't need them. Everything that you need is in this box, and all you, I guess, need externally from this is a big bowl for the soil disc, and then you would probably also need just water, just a lot of water. That's been it for this video. I'm probably going to be doing more review videos and some like gaming stuff. I'm not 100% sure. I'm just trying to do what makes me happy right now. So if you guys do want to subscribe, because I'm sure I will have an update, probably close to monthly. In fact, today is June 1st. So maybe I'll just do monthly upload. I don't know. Maybe I'll have monthly updates. I don't exactly know how we're going to do this, but I mean, monthly updates could be a cool thing. So if you guys want to see that, just leave a comment below, and any kind of questions, concerns, anything you guys have, just leave them below. And I thank you guys for coming out to this video, and I will see you in the next one.